Hello, my name is Dina. I work with Otiom and would like to show you the Otiom Starter Kit for home and demonstrate how to get it up and running. The Otiom Starter Kit is for home use only. It can be used for private apartments or houses up to 140 square meters. You will need 10 minutes for installation and up to 30 minutes for activation. Inside the Otiom Starter Kit you will find the following products. I will just open it. An Otiom tag, a neck safety strap, a clip, a wireless charger and a home base. The Otiom tag is worn by residents who are at risk of becoming lost. The tag can be worn in different ways, for example, around the neck, in the pocket, or can be sewn into clothing. The Otiom tag feels pleasant to touch and there are no confusing buttons, lights or sound. The tag is waterproof and can be washed in the washing machine up to 60 degrees. It maintains the battery power for up to 1 whole month between charges. The wireless home base should be located centrally in the house or in the apartment. The wireless home base creates a safe home zone that covers the private home or apartment. As long as the person wearing the Otiom tag is within the home zone, the entire Otiom system is in a power-saving mode. The wireless charger is used for charging a tag when battery is low. When the tag needs charging, Otiom automatically sends a text message. You simply place the Otiom tag on the wireless charger, and if a tag sewn into a piece of clothing, you place the clothes on the charger. In the starter kit you will also find some accessories, a neck safety strap and a clip that can be used to the Otiom tag. And a cord for the charger is also included in the package. And that's what you receive when you order the Otiom Starter Kit.